So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can install an Android x86 virtual machine on your Virt-manager. So in the last video I showed you how to install and configure Virt-manager along with KVM QEMU on an Arch Linux desktop. So if you haven't watched that video, please check that out, because without that video you won't be able to understand a lot of what we are talking about today. So the first thing that you're going to do is to download the Android x86 ISO from the website. So onto any browser of your choice, just type Android x86, and the first website you're going to be having is androidx86.org. Just go to this website and just download this ISO. Now once you download the ISO, I suggest you to open a terminal and just do this command. So basically what it's going to do is it's going to move or copy your ISO to the specific directory called virt libvirt images. If you don't do that, it's fine, but you're going to be having a lot of issues regarding permissions and all that stuff. So when all these things out of mind, I just open our Virt-manager. So look at our Virt-manager here. We are connected. So let's just create a new virtual machine. We'll choose local disk media, so that's what we're going to be using, and select the ISO. So let's just browse it. Now since we had created in that directory earlier, it's just popping up right here. So just choose this one, and if it doesn't detect it automatically, just type it. So it's Android 9, Android x86 9. Here is it. Now just move forward. You're going to be giving it 3 gigs of RAM. So let's try 3072. If you have more resources to allocate, you can surely do that. It's going to make processing and the machine a little faster. So yeah, highly recommend it if you have the resources available. Let's just move forward. Yeah, we're going to be creating the 20 gigs is more than enough, unless and until you don't really want to use this as for some development purposes. 20 gigs should be enough. Let's just move forward. Now we just want to customize a few selections here and there. This is the virtual network NAT, that's what we're going to be choosing, and let's just finish it. Now here what we have to do is change it from BIOS to UEFI, apply it. Now for this, it's here choosing IDE. Instead of IDE, choose Virt-io because it's much faster, and let's just apply that as well. Other than that, let's just see what else here. Choose this as it has to stay at IDE. We don't have Virt-io option here. Now here the virtual network interface, choose the device model from E1000 to Virt-io because it is what is the most fastest one. So when all that in check, just click begin installation, and we are good to go. Yeah. So let's just full screen. And here we are on our ISO's installation. So just go to advanced option and auto install, because there is not really a lot of configuration to do. So let's just allow this installer to do it on its own for the right setting that it thinks it needs. So yeah, dev/VDA. VDA is our virtual drive, so don't worry, it's not going to mess with your original install. So yes, just press yes. Now it's going to partition that and do all that stuff. You can just sit back and relax because it's going to do it everything on its own. Now it has been installed successfully. Now it's asking you to run it right now or reboot. So we're going to be choosing it to reboot. And yep, so now we are in our Android ISO, and not in our Android ISO. Android has been installed successfully. Now it's just detecting it. Wait for a few seconds, it's going to show console, don't worry. It will automatically get into the Android. And there you go. So we are on our Android boot screen. It's going to take a little bit while before it actually configures everything and shows us the installation menu. So as you can see, our Android pop-up screen is now here. It's just the configuration screen of our Android is now here. So now we just have to connect with the Wi-Fi. It's actually not really going to connect with the Wi-Fi right now, so let's just skip it. So as you can see, we are now successfully booted into our Android x86 virtual machine using KVM QEMU on an Arch Linux desktop. So that was it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. And if you face any trouble while doing this, please just comment down below. I'm more than happy to help you. So yeah, that was it for this video. Have a good one.